Alright, today's the day. Shop's a mess. Thrash this thing together. We're going to do a quick test drive on this unit. See how it goes. I got a camera set up on my back porch. I would put the GoPro on this thing, but it's raining like crazy. So we'll make the best of it. Okay, we're going to try it again. The mic was getting wet, so I'm just going to rely on the phone audio. So let's try it out. I do not have a gas pedal. I have it hooked up to a hand throttle. So I just want to ride it. You know, you work on something for so long, you just want to enjoy it.
Just want to share a little piece of personal information with you. I got a chubby right now because this is one of the most awesome experiences of my life because I'm getting to drive a race car.